Good evening friends. So today we develop the part program for the given component. So the given component is the circular component having the maximum diameter of 40 mm and the length of 75 mm, and this component get processed with the help of lathe machine with the help of Mastercam software. So we go for the procedure. First of all, click onto the setting, configuration, change the dimensions from inches to millimeters and ensure that the dimension should be in matrix. Click OK. For highlighting the X and Y axis, press the F9 button so we can highlight the axis. Then we do the modeling of this given component, half portion of this component in the first quadrant. So we start the modeling actually from 0 point. So remember that whenever from 0 point we are moving in rightward direction, we have to use the angle of 0 degree. When moving in upward direction 90 degree, downward direction 270 degree and leftward direction 180 degree. So along with this we work in a top plane. So click onto the top, select the first line. So I prepare the line of 75 mm with the angle of 180 degree. Just click OK. Zoom out. Now another line, that is the total distance of 40 mm. So we have to prepare the 20 mm line. Click on to the end, 20 mm line and the distance angle of 90 degree. Now we have to follow the same distance of 20 mm. Prepare the line of 20 mm with respect to 0 angle. Press enter. Now I prepare the figure from the right hand side. So the total distance of 24, that is we have to prepare the 12 mm from this end. So prepare the 12 mm line with the angle of 90 degree. Now another line that we have to prepare of 28 mm. Click 28 and here put the angle of 180 degree. Now we have to draw the inclined line. So we required this position 32 means 16 mm from the center line. So this 32 mm distance it is required from 15 mm. So actually this is the 15 mm distance. By mistakenly we draw of 20. So go for the creation of the line 15 mm with the angle of 0. Now we require this position actually. This position we are obtaining 75 minus 50, that is 25 mm. So I draw the one line of 25 mm from this position, 25, and we have to kept as angle as 0 degree. Now from this line we have to draw the 16 mm line up to this point. So draw the line of 16 mm with the angle of 90 degree. Now we can join this line. Again we can draw the line from both the points. Now here we require the radius of 4 mm. So here we can use the fillet command. So go for the fillet, select the radius of 4 mm, select the first line and the second line. So automatically remaining portion get trimmed out. So this is the unwanted line, it just draw for the projection purpose. So now we can complete the figure. So this is the half portion of the figure. After that we have to go for the selection of the machine type. Go for the machine. Here we consider the lathe machine as a default. First of all we have to set up the stock. Currently it having the dimensions of 20 mm from either side, right? Maximum diameter. So here go for the properties, stock setup, select the left spindle, properties. Now here I set the stock 50 mm outside diameter and total length of component 100 mm. Click OK. So now this dotted line is showing that it's the stock material. So here we select the chuck left spindle because we prepare the figure in the first quadrant. So we have to figure out the chuck position here. Click onto the properties. Now we have to keep this component inside the chuck. So we have to select from the stock, and we kept here 10 mm as a distance of grip the component inside the chuck. So we put here 10 mm. So click OK. OK. So now this is the figure, this is the position of chuck, and this is the position of component, and this is our final product. So now we can start the operation. First operation that we start, that is the roughing operation. The roughing operation is nothing that we have to just prepare our component by removing this upper material. Click OK. Go for the chain selection, select the first line and the last line. So ensure that the green line and the red line having the same direction arrow. It should be in leftward direction, because the operation start from this point and it get end at this point. Click OK. Select the tool, that is the roughing operation. We can change the parameters, speed rate, spindle speed. Now we can verify the operation by clicking onto the verify selected operation and just run the operation. So now the operation can be performed. Now just we want to suppress this operation, click onto the toggle display and go for the another operation. It is called as the finish operation. Click onto the finish, selection of chain, first and last, click OK, select the finish tool, click OK. Now this is also the corrected operation. Go for the another operation called as the threading operation. So here we have to do the threading. The maximum size of thread is 24 and minimum size that is 2.5 from either side. So go for the another operation, that is thread operation. Click on thread, selected the threaded tool, selected the parameters. Now here we have to set the parameters. The outer diameter of this given thread system, it is 24. So this is the major diameter, it is 24. Minor diameter 2.5 mm from both direction we have to reduce. So here we put as the minor diameter of 24 minus 2.5, that is 21.5. So now we are getting 1.25 mm from both the sides, but here we require the 2.5 mm. So here we have to use the 19. Total 5 mm we have to reduce, so 2.5 mm both sides. Now we can select the position of starting point. So this is the initial point. Final point, directly we can put here minus 28 degree, 28 mm. So minus 28, this is the final position. Again we can change the cut parameters, type of thread requires, drop, clearance, all these things. Click OK. Now we can verify the operation, clicking onto the verify operation. So all these three operations get verified, first, second and third. So now here we can obtain the threading operation as per our requirement. The last operation is the drilling operation. So for drilling operation, go for the groove or drill, click onto the drill, select the drill tool, drill parameter that we have to change, depth, we require the depth of minus, as per the figure it's a 10, that is minus 10, and click OK. So now again we can verify all operations. Click OK, verify the operations. So now we are getting all these 4 operations. So in this way we can do any type of modeling with the help of any type of operation we can perform with the help of this Mastercam software. So see how to generate the part program. So for generation of the part program, click onto the G1, click OK, yes, OK. So in this way we can develop the part program for the given operation. So we can save this file as per our required format. So directly we can save the remaining files. We can save the files as per our required format: NC file, X5 file, IGS file. So this is all about the tutorial, all about the how to perform the given operation. Thank you.